Hello, Namaskar, Birendra Singh here. There are few MCQ multiple choice questions of chapter 2 electrostatic potential and capacitors for class 12 physics, and I will give you some hints to get its answer. The question I read here, first question: 4 capacitors are connected in a circuit as shown in the figure. The effective capacitance in microfarad between points A and B each. Option A 28/9, B 4, C 5 and D 18. So here is the figure for question number 1. In this figure, this is a type of same potential method. So point A is here, so this will also be point A, and let it be point C here in this one. So you have to calculate here A, C and B. So between A and C 2 microfarad, again between A and C 2 microfarad, between C and B 12 microfarad, 12, 2 and 2, and between A and B it is connected 2 microfarad. So all 4 capacitors are here connected in this way. So 2 and 2 in parallel, so 4 microfarad, and 4 and 12 in series, so 4 into 12 upon 4 plus 12, that is 48 upon 16, this will be 3 microfarad, and 3 and 2 here microfarad are in parallel, so net capacitance between A and B will be 5 microfarad. So answer for this is option C, 5 microfarad. Now for the second question, 4 capacitors each of capacity 8 microfarad are connected with each other as shown in the figure. The equivalent capacitance between points X and Y is option A 2 microfarad, B 8 microfarad, C 16 microfarad and D 32 microfarad. Here is the figure for question 2. This question is also same question. So here if I take V1 is the potential connected with X, so this point also will have same potential V1, and here I take V2, so this point also having same potential V2, and this one is V1. So now X, V1 and V2, and V2 is connected with Y. So take here between V1 and V2, you see there are 4 capacitors connected here in parallel between V1 and V2. So potential difference is same, so all will be in parallel. Let all has capacitance C and C. So equivalent capacitance in parallel will be 4C, and the value of C is given 8 microfarad. So 4 into 8, that will be equal to 32 microfarad. So answer for this one, option D is correct. Now moving to next question. Here question number 3 and 4 are based on Wheatstone bridge circuit. In the connection shown in the adjoining figure, the equivalent capacitance between points A and B is? Option A 10.8, option B 69, option C 15 microfarad, option D 10 microfarad. So for this one, question 3 circuit is here. You see here. First we check whether this Wheatstone bridge circuit is balanced or not. So you can do like this: cross multiplication, 9 into 12 equal to 6 into 18, and that will be equal to 108. So this Wheatstone bridge circuit is balanced, so no charge will flow through 24 microfarad, and 24 microfarad circuit will be open. Then 6 and 12 will be in series, so its combination effective capacitance 6 into 12 upon 6 plus 12, and that will be equal to 48 upon 72 upon 18, that is 4 microfarad. Now at 9 and 18 also in series, so 9 into 18 upon 9 plus 18, and you will do like this: 9 into 18 upon 27, so 9 3 ja and 3 6 ja, so 6 microfarad. Now 4 and 6 are in parallel. 4 and 6 are in parallel here. 4 and 6. So equivalent capacitance will be 10 microfarad. So here option for this question is option D is correct, 10 microfarad. For the question 4, find the equivalent capacitance between point A and B as shown in the figure. A 40 microfarad, B 20 microfarad, C 30 microfarad, D 10 microfarad. So for this question you see here also the same one, cross multiplication, 10 into 10, this one cross multiply here, 10 into 10 equal to 10 into 10, 100. So no charge will flow through the second diagonal between 10 microfarad. So 10 microfarad will be open. So 10 microfarad and 10 microfarad will be in series, that is 5 microfarad, and 10 and 10 also in series. So 5 microfarad, and now 5 microfarad will be in 5 and 5 will be in parallel. So net capacitance between A and B will be equal to 10. So option D is correct. For the next one, find equivalent capacitance between A and B in the figure. Here option A 3C by 4, option B 3C by 10, 5C by 6 and C by 6. In this question you see here these two capacitors C and C connected in series, and across it there is a wire, parallel wire, so it will be shorted, and here this capacitor also will be shorted. So if I take potential here V1 for this one, then this potential will be also V1. If I take for this potential V2, so this will also be equal to V2, and here also V2, potential difference 0. But here between V1 and V2, 3 capacitors connected in parallel. So 3C and C last capacitor, this one, last capacitor in series. So 3C into C upon 3C plus C, that is 3C by 4. 3C by 4. So option for this one will be here option A is for this circuit. Question number 5. For question number 5, 3C by 4. Similarly, find equivalent capacitance between A and B in the following figure. Here A is 3C by 4, B is 4C, C C by 4 and D 4C by 3. Same circuit, same potential method. Here you see in this one here C, C and C, this one all connected in parallel, so 3C and last one C in series, so 3C by 4. So for this one same 3C by 4 is the correct answer. Now moving to next question. Question based on connection removal method or perpendicular bisector method. Here 4C by 3, there is a cube in question 7. So you have to find the equivalent capacitance between A and B. 4C by 3, 6C by 5, 3C by 4 and 5C by 6. So which one will be correct option? Now for this one, perpendicular bisector, this question can be solved in two ways. So I will solve in first method. Here for this one, all the points, say if I take A, D, E and here I take F, here I take G and here is H. So all 3 points D, F and here I take I. So D, F, I at the same potential, E and here one is G. E, G and H also at same potential. So you can solve like this. A, here is the point D, E, I, D, F, I, sorry, D, F, I. Here is the point E, G, H, E, G, H and here is the point, last point is B. So between A and D there is 1C, also A and F 1C and also A and I 1C. So all 3C in parallel. Now between D and E, D and E 1C, D and G there is also 1C, D and H nothing. Now F and E 1C, F and G no capacitor, F and H 1C. Now I and E, I and E no capacitor, I and G there is one capacitor, again one capacitor, and I and H, I and H one again. So in this way you see here 6 capacitors are in parallel and 3 here in parallel. Now between E and B 1C, G and B there is 1C and H and B there is again 1C. So all 3 in parallel. So equivalent will be here we see equivalent will be in this question, equivalent will be three C, 6C and 3C. All three are in series. So equivalent will be 1 upon 3C plus 1 upon 6C plus 1 upon 3C. And in this way, taking LCM 6C, so 2 plus 1 plus 2, that is equivalent will be 6C upon 5. 6C upon 5, C between C, A, B. 6C upon 5, just taking inverse of it, 6C upon 5. So for this one, in cube, option is 6B. Option is B. Okay. For find the equivalent capacitance between A and B in the figure shown here. For this circuit, question number 8, also it is perpendicular symmetry. So for perpendicular symmetry, you see here, if I take point D here, and here is point N, here is point E. So all point D, N and E will have at same potential. So between A and B, the arrangement will be like this: A, D, comma N, comma E, and here is the point B. So between A and D, 1C, between A and N, again 1C, between A and E, again 1C. All three in parallel. So 3C, between D and B, 1C, between N and B, again 1C, and between E and B, again 1C. So 3C here. 3C and 3C will be in series. So resultant net capacitance will be 3C upon 2. So for this one, option D is correct. Now next question, 9. Find the equivalent capacitance between A and B as shown below here. In this is infinite ladder network. For this circuit, question is where to cut the section. If one section is cut from the infinite ladder circuit, there will be no effect on its equivalent capacitance. So here if I take C1 for 2C and C2 for C, so C1 C2 again C1 C2. So I will cut here before the starting of 2C, and I assume that equivalent capacitance for this infinite circuit is X, and this X will also be between A and B. So here you see then the revised circuit will be equal to 2C, here is C, here is X, and between A and B the equivalent will be also equal to X. So C and X in parallel, so C plus X, and 2C in series, so this will be equal to 2C multiply C plus X upon 2C plus C plus X, that is 3C plus X, and that will be equal to X. Solve this. So 2C square plus 2CX is equal to 3CX plus X square. So we are getting X square plus CX minus 2C square is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. So X is equal to, by Sridharacharya method, if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. In this way, minus c plus minus under root c square plus 8c square upon 2 and we are getting minus c plus minus 3c upon 2. So, taking positive value, we get 3c minus c 2c by 2, that is x is equal to first value x is equal to c. Taking negative value, x is equal to minus 4c upon 2, that is minus 2c, but you know the capacitance will not have the negative value. So, x will be equal to c. This is the correct answer. So, for this circuit in question number 10, here question number 9, between A and B, the option will be, correct option will be B. B. Now, last question 10. Find the effective capacitance between A and B in the figure below. 3 microfarad, B 2 microfarad, C 4 microfarad and D 8 microfarad. This question you see here, between A and B, question number 10, here in this one we have to find. The circuit is given here, handwritten. So, 2 microfarad and 2 microfarad, this one will be in parallel. So, equivalent will be equal to 4 microfarad. So, now circuit will be A 4 microfarad, here also 4 microfarad, 2 and 2 in parallel, and here is point B. Here is 4 microfarad and this one is 4 microfarad. So, you see here between A and B, 4 and 4 in series, so 2 microfarad, and here this one 4 and this 4 is in series, so 2 microfarad. So, all 2 microfarad and 2 microfarad will be in parallel, so equivalent will be 4 microfarad between A and B. So, for this one, question number 10, option B is correct. 4 microfarad. This is not. Option C is correct. So, I take here option C is correct. Thank you so much.